Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to make CSS lightning text animation like this. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for the upcoming videos. Now let's head over to our code editor. For this CSS animation, we need to create two files. First is index.html, second is style.css. Now let's start with our index.html file and then shift+1 and hit enter. This will create your boilerplate directly, and then go to title, change it to CSS lightning animation, and then link your CSS file with the HTML file like this, and then go to the body tag and create a UL. Inside this UL you need 9 allies like this and name it like this. Now that's all for our HTML file. Now open this HTML file with the live server extension. Now our HTML file look like this. Now go to our CSS file and do some basic styling. I already included this dancing script font for the CSS animation. Now select body tag and give it a height of 100 viewport, so it will cover the whole height of the browser of Flex. Okay, then justify content center, align atom center, justify content center, center the atom horizontally, align atom center, center the atom vertically, and then set font family to dancing script and sans serif like this. Okay, now set background color to black. Okay, now go to UL and set margin 0, padding 0, and set display to flex. Then select all the allies like this and set list style to none. Give it a color of hatch 484848, something like this. Now and give a font size of 100 pixels. Then give it some letter spacing of 15 pixels. And now our file something look like this. Now we are going to add animation to this text. At the rate keyframes and give animation name of lighting at 0%. Set color to hash 484848 and text shadow to none. And now we need to make two copy of this like this and set second one to 90% and third one to 100% and change the third one to HFFF 900 and set text shadow to this value. Now we need to run our animation in order to see the changes. Go to the ally selector and set animation property and give it a name of lightning like this. Animation duration set to be 1.4 seconds, linear and infinite, of course. Now our animation looks like this, but we need to make our animation something like this. So in order to make our animation look like this, we need to make some changes. Now go to the bottom of the CSS file and select each ally by nth child property like this. Select first child and give it an animation delay of 0 second like this. Now we need to make 8 more copy of this, so just okay, now change it to 2, this to 3, this to 4, and so on, and increase the delay of each ally by 0.1 second like this. This lightning text effect looks great. Now If you have any doubt related to this CSS animation, please ask on the comment sections. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.